Alright, this video is very quickly going to show you how to change the DNS on your Mac. So the first thing you want to do is hit the Command and Space bar keys on your keyboard. We're looking for Settings. So we're going to click Settings, and then we want to go to Wi-Fi. You're going to find the network that you're connected to, and we're going to hit Details. And then what we're going to do is click on DNS. And what we want to do is we want to add an open DNS. So we're going to add that. And we're going to add that. And what this is going to do is going to route your traffic around your local DNS servers to Google's DNS. The first one, 8.8.8.8, is a Google DNS. This 4.2.2.2 is a Verizon DNS. They're both open and available to use. This is one way to troubleshoot your internet if you're having problems.